Welcome to Survey Grind Nation, alright? And yes, it's powered by DSO Tech Studios. If this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, you are welcome. Do well to hit the subscribe icon and then you turn on this notification bell so you'll be notified. You click on all so you'll be notified whenever I drop any new updates on this channel, alright? And yes, on this channel, I'll be sharing guide that will help you start surveys and yes, giving reviews on different survey platforms. So today, I'll be walking you through survey. I'll be teaching you how you can start survey as a beginner. Let's walk right into it. Online survey beginner guide. Alright, so this training consists of a simple step-by-step training for new survey earners. And yes, you learn what surveys are, how to answer them correctly, and start earning. And yes, this is designed for complete beginners. All right, let's move right into it. What is an online survey? Online survey is a digital questionnaire created to collect opinions or information. You can see, you can put it this way too: online survey, answering questions through the internet. All right, so that is it. That is survey for you. That's the definition of online survey. All right, so now companies, schools and researchers, they use surveys to learn what people think, how people see things, how people see their products and other stuff like that. All right, and yes, instead of paper form, people they answer questions online using mobile or their PC. Either they use their phone, their smartphone, or their PC, their laptop, and so on. All right, so you can see some example. After buying from Jumia or Amazon, you receive rating question like. So now let's move forward. Why do companies pay for surveys? Businesses wants to improve products based on your feedback. All right, survey answers help them understand what people like or dislike. Your opinion becomes valuable for research and marketing decisions, so they have to pay for it. All right, so you can see right here, the better you answer, the more survey you qualify for. Yes, this is another good one. All right, while you're taking survey, if you answer better, you qualify for more surveys. All right, so let's move on. Real life examples of survey. Netflix asking, what shows do you like watching? This is a question, so you answering it online, it is an online survey you've done. All right, a restaurant collecting comments on food quality. Was it good enough? Was it bad? So that is it. All right, so that's an online survey if they are doing it online. All right, so now you can see the next one: a mobile brand testing new phone features from customers. Let me just explain this last one: YouTube creators surveying subscribers for next video topic. All right, so after finishing the video, I just come in and say, leave in the comment the topic you want me to talk about on my next video. Yes, you answering it, you've taken surveys online. All right, so that is it. So these are the real life examples of surveys. So let's move on. You can see right here, type of online survey students will meet. Type of online survey you will meet when you're starting as a beginner. You meet customer satisfaction, whereby you have to rate their product, either 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, within 1 to 5 star. All right, so another one is multiple choice opinion surveys, where they will ask you one question and give you multiple options to pick from. Yes, then the other one, we have profile or personal information surveys, where they'll be asking you about your details, your profile, your name, your full name, your date of birth, and stuff like that. Everything that has to do with you, your interest, your location, your country, and all stuff like that. All right. Then the other one you come across is the product review surveys, where you have to test product, you have to try product, and then give answers on them. All right. So that is it. You try the product and give answer to their questions. So let's move on. How online survey earning works. Step 1, register on survey website. Step 2, you fill profile correctly to get more survey invitation. Step 3, you answer surveys honestly and completely. Step 4, you earn points, you convert to paper or bank or cards. So you can see. So you can see right here, these are the way for you to start. If you want to start as a beginner, you register first, you fill in your profile, make sure your profile, you get a very good survey profile to start with. And then you answer honestly with that profile. Do not answer inconsistently. So let's move on. What to avoid while answering surveys? You never rush. Do not rush on survey site. All right. Fast random answers may disqualify you. Yes. Avoid selecting same options repeatedly. All is very bad. Continue like that. If you know the answer, you add it up. All right. If you don't know the answer or you don't have it in your profile, you just have to add neutral or let that one go. All right. Yes, ChatGPT do give me answers sometimes. All right, but yes, all the same, you just have to answer. Avoid selecting one option repeatedly. Avoid selecting one option repeatedly. All right. Now, do not contradict yourself in later question. If you are asked something, maybe they ask you, what is your age here in the first question, and then you told them 32. Then later on, they ask you, what year were you born? You now give them something else. The platform they do detect, all right? So your years, the year you gave them before, and the one you told them, if it's different, then you've actually contradicted yourself, and it might result in banning or even shadow ban. All right, so do not do that. Have a profile that is working, and yes, you should be consistent with your answers. Never use fake information. Survey system dey detect patterns. All right. So how to answer surveys correctly? You make sure you read each question slowly and carefully. Understand it before you give them answers. Give honest answers based on personal experience. All right. Use different rating level, not always 5 star. All right. So they should ask you something. If you're always rating them high, then you might stop getting their surveys. All right. So sometimes you rate them low, other times you rate them high, and that's how you go. All right. If you are not sure, you make sure you choose neutral. If you are not sure of the answer, you choose neutral. Don't pick wrong ones, because the more you pick wrongs, the more wrongs you select, the more you get disqualified. That is how it is. All right. How to start survey earning? You create your email for survey platforms. You can create just one email. You need just one. You create your email. I'll be making videos on how to get started step by step. All right. So this is just an introduction to survey. You register on recommended survey website. You complete your profile 100%. This is very important. Make sure you have a working survey profile. All right. And then you check your dashboard daily for new surveys. All right. Survey question types explained with examples. You can see multiple choice question. Which phone do you use? Then they give you option like Redmi, Techno, iOS, and you just have to pick one. All right. You just have to pick the right option. All right. Now the next one, Likert skill, where you have to rate either 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, and so on. Then you have the yes or no question, when they just ask you a straightforward question. Do you drink coffee daily? Yes or no. You pick yes or no. All right. Then we have the open test question type. All right. We have the open test question type, where they will explain. You can see right here, open. We have the open test question type, where you have to explain. All right. You just have to give them your explanation, not just the answer. All right. Read the answer question like this: explain why you like product A more. Then you just have to go in and tell them why you like the product, explain it, and that is that for that survey. All right. So let's move forward. You can see there are red flags and mistakes beginners make in surveys. Yes, as a beginner, do not make these mistakes. As a beginner, do not make these mistakes. All right. Using random answers to finish fast. Do not make this mistake as a beginner. All right. Don't just pick answers so you can finish fast. All right. Don't rush through surveys. Creating multiple accounts on same platform, do not do that. All right. If you're a beginner, do not create multiple accounts on same platforms. All right. Ignoring survey instructions. You know there are different survey sites, and yes, they have their instructions. All right. So before you start, you have to go through the instructions and make sure you understand their terms and conditions of using their platform. All right. So once you've done that, you can now continue. Do not make this mistake of ignoring their instructions. All right. So let's move on. You can see not checking email regularly for invite. Some survey sites, they will be sending you invite mails daily. All right. Others, they will send you weekly, and so on. All right. So once you see them in your mail, you just have to go in and take those surveys. All right. So let me move on. You can see right here, survey success tips for beginners. Be consistent. This is very important. In every course you're doing, in every step you take, you have to be consistent. Consistency is the key. All right. Yes, if you're learning something and you're consistently practicing, then you will be very good in doing it. All right. And yes, you answer daily for more invite. The more you answer, the more you get invites. If you're somebody that just create an account and then you start taking survey one day, the next time you go there will be in 2 weeks. You will not be getting surveys like every other person. You just have to go in and be taking surveys daily. All right. So you can get more invites from researchers. So let's move on. Be honest. Companies trust accurate users more. Like I gave an instance before, they ask you a question and you told them you were 32, and then they ask that same question again in another form, you told them 39. That way you've disqualified yourself. All right, so do not give them wrong answers. Be honest. All right, be honest while taking surveys. Then improve your profile description. More survey match you. All right, so there are some profile that really don't get surveys. You just have to improve it and you'll be very fine. All right, improve your profile and you'll be fine. So about this profile, I'll be showing you that maybe in my next video, or as we continue, I'll be making more videos that will help you get a working profile. All right, then yes, you can see the last one here says use laptop when possible for faster completion. If you have a smartphone, you can continue with your smartphone, but if you have a laptop, you can as well use your laptop for taking surveys. All right, so let's move on. Final summary, you can see online surveys are digital questions form used for research. All right, you earn by giving honest and useful opinions. Avoid rushing, avoid duplicating answers or giving them false information. All right, you practice daily and learn patterns to qualify for more surveys. So if you watched this time, thank you very much. All right, don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe if you've not done that. And yes, ask your question in the comment section, and if you need me to create a video on any topic, just leave it in the comment and I will go through it and give you replies. All right, so thanks for watching once again. See you on the next video.